For the first time in more than 2 decades, those living with ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease should be encouraged by a brand new treatment. Good evening, I'm Mary Alice Demler.
And I'm Adam Benini. Radicava was just approved in the U.S. and the first recipients in the country to try this groundbreaking drug are right here in Western New York. 2 on your side's Erica Brecker is getting answers tonight on what this new drug is supposed to help do and how it managed to come to Buffalo first. Erica.
Adam and Mary Alice, it's no secret that Dent Neurologic Institute is a first-class facility helping people with brain disorders. And Dr. Tomas Holmlund, along with 2 other neurologists, have one of the largest ALS treatments in the country. Dr. Holmlund said a little serendipity also helped when a while back he told a sales representative for the company that makes the drug how much he'd like to bring it here.
Dent Institute will be the first in the country to administer a brand new drug to ALS patients. A 20-year-old man and a middle-aged woman will receive their first infusion tomorrow.
They understand the gravity of this. In a sense, they're pioneers doing this. And they also understand we're going to watch them extra careful to see how is this going to affect them.
Radicava is administered intravenously into blood. In trials, the drug slowed down the degenerative effects, which eventually lead to paralysis. That in itself is promising, as is the fact that this is the first new treatment in more than 20 years.
Why does this new drug give the ALS community hope?
Well, up till now, there has been no new drug since 1995. So this enormous hiatus of nothingness. When it comes to treatment, we have had very little to offer. So this was a relief to say, we have this drug, we don't know how well it works, we know it does something, we don't know how much. So tell them this was wonderful.
Dr. Holmlund says the Ice Bucket Challenge 3 years ago was the last big thing that gave people hope. But now there's something concrete to celebrate.
The Ice Bucket Challenge really reminded people of ALS and re-energized the research aspects of ALS. And now, with the approval of this drug, there's even more energy poured into this.
And now, with this exciting development, ALS patients will likely want to know how they can get in on it.
The Dent Institute is enormously well equipped to do that part. We can do our part.
But challenges will come in the form of cost and a practical way to administer Radicava regularly. Dr. Holmlund said the drug is very expensive to buy from the supplier, and there's the question of what will a patient's insurance cover. Also, a patient needs this infusion every day for 10 days, then the patient's off for 2 weeks, and that cycle would have to continue for the rest of their lives. So Dr. Holmlund is also working on a home health care plan, possibly through the use of a port in the body, since accessing veins every day isn't practical, but very encouraging. Erica Brecker, Channel 2 News.